We'll continue with the problems from Taylor series. Obtain the Taylor series to represent 1 by z plus 1 into z plus 3 in mod z less than 1. Solution: f of z is equal to 1 divided by z plus 1 into z plus 3. 1 by z plus 1 into z plus 3 is equal to a by z plus 1 plus b by z plus 3. We follow partial fraction method here, okay? So it's a familiar method to you. You can apply that method. Just you cross multiply, you get this equation. Now cancelling the denominator, you get the next equation. And here, by putting z equal to minus 1, take z is equal to minus 1, b will be eliminated. You can find a is 1 by 2. Then again putting z is equal to minus 3. So in this equation, take z as minus 3. A term will be eliminated. You can find b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now this equation 1, okay, equation 1 implies f of z is equal to a by z plus 1 plus b by z plus 3. So here f of z by a by z plus 1. What is a value? A value is 1 by z. So we get 1 by 2 z plus 1. What about b value? B value is minus 1 by 2. So we get minus 1 by 2 divided by z plus 3. Now you can take this 2 to the denominator. So 1 by 2 into z plus 1. Then here you can take again this constant to the denominator. So minus 1 by 2 into z plus 3. Here in the question a region is given. See, mod z is less than 1. So whenever you come across the region like mod z is less than a, some constant. If it is less than constant, what we are going to do is we are going to take the constant outside. You see, here in this equation we take the given region is mod z less than 1, okay? So what you have to do is taking the constant outside. Taking here there is no constant, means denominator is of the form 1 plus z. So just you write 1 by 2 into 1 plus z, okay? Or the constant is 1 here. Just to understand here I have taken 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 1 plus z. In the second term constant is 3. In the second term constant is 3. Taking this 3 outside, 1 plus z by 3, okay? Taking 3 outside, 1 plus z by 3. So 2 into 3 into 1 plus z by 3. So now after taking the constant outside, you see 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 6. Now the denominator of the form, we have the expansion 1 plus x whole inverse is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube, etc. 1 minus x the whole inverse is 1 plus x square plus etc. So we have these two expansion. So taking denominator to the numerator, the first term 1 by 2 into 1 plus z the whole inverse. In the second term minus 1 by 6 into 1 plus z by 3 the whole inverse. So now we expand this using the first formula. So 1 minus x plus x square, like that. Actually alternate sign, okay? So 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube plus etc. Similarly the second term also 1 means minus 1 by 6 into expansion of second term is 1 minus z by 3 plus z by 3 the whole square minus z by 3 the whole cube plus etc. So just you increase the power 1 z square z cube, like that. Increase the power. You see 1 z by 3 the whole square z by 3 the whole cube. Increase the power. But sign you have to take alternate sign, minus plus like that. Also here modulus z is less than 1 is the given condition. So modulus z is less than 1. So also this z by 3 also less than 1. So whenever this is the condition, you should we should mention this condition whenever we expand this, because 1 plus z inverse means mod z will be less than 1. 1 plus z by 3 the whole inverse means mod z by 3 will be less than 1. That is the condition for expansion, and this gives the solution. Next question is expand f of z is equal to 1 by z plus 2 into z plus 4 in Lorentz series mod z is greater than 4. We follow the same method to expand in terms of Lorentz series. F of z is 1 by z plus 2, z plus 4. So you follow the partial fraction method which is familiar to you. A by first term plus b by second term. Now cross multiply, you get this. Denominator can be eliminated. So you get the equation. 1 is equal to a into z plus 4 plus b into z plus 2. So here also we find a and b. Taking z is equal to minus 2, b term, second term will be eliminated. We can find a. Okay, a is 1 by 2. Then put z is equal to minus 4. This first term will be eliminated. So we get the second term, that is b, constant b we can find. B is minus 1 by 2. Now substituting in equation number 1 we get. Equation number 1 is, so this is equation number 1. So we will substitute it here. Let us substitute the value of a and b in this place. So we get f of z is 1 by 2 z plus 1 divided by z plus 1 minus 1 by 2 by z plus 4. Because a value is 1 by 2, b value is minus 1 by 2. Now this 2 comes in the denominator, 1 by 2 into z plus 2 minus 1 by 2 into z plus 4. Now our condition is mod z is greater than 4. So whenever we have condition as greater than constant, here the condition mod z is greater than 4. So whenever it is greater than constant, you take the variable outside. Okay, here taking the variable outside, you see the variable is z. Okay, within this bracket you have to take z outside when mod z is greater than constant. Taking z outside 1 plus 2 by z. Here also taking z outside 1 plus 4 by z. Now you take this to the numerator, 1 plus 2 by z the whole inverse. Here also 1 plus 4 by z the whole inverse. Also in both the terms 1 by 2 z is common. So from the first term we take 1 by 2 z, second term also 1 by 2 z as a common term. So within bracket we get 1 plus 2 by z the whole inverse minus 1 plus 4 by z the whole inverse. Now let us expand it. Now expanding this we get 1. We know the formula, right? 1 plus z the whole inverse, 1 minus, so instead of z we have 2 by z, 1, 2 by z, 2 by z the whole square, 2 by z the whole cube. Okay, this is plus 3, 2 by z the whole cube, etc. And the sign is alternatively minus plus minus, like that it goes on. Second term also minus is common outside, so within bracket just you expand 1 minus 4 by z, then plus 4 by z the whole square, then minus 4 by z the whole cube, plus etc. And the condition here is, you see this particular term, modulus 2 by z should be less than 1. Also modulus 4 by z will be less than 1. So this gives the solution. So you can try with the other questions. Okay, I'll give you some questions. Z by z minus 2, z plus 4 as a Lorentz series. And here it is 2 less than mod z is less than 4. So the thing is, you can follow the same method, find a and b. Okay, after finding a and b, the thing is, here you see this region can be splitted into 2. That is 2 is less than mod z is less than 4. That is mod z is greater than 2, mod z is less than 4. So in this case, you take the f of z, that is f of z. After substituting a and b, you will get the equation like this. After substituting a and b, you will get the equation like this. Since mod z is greater than 2, you see from this term, here you have 2, right? Since mod z is greater than 2, whenever it is greater, you have to take z outside. Okay, z outside, taking a variable. Z is a variable outside. Whenever you see here mod z is less than 4, so you have to take the constant outside. Constant is 4. You take the 4 outside the bracket. Okay, so you can continue with the solution. You take z as a common term from the first term. From the second term, you take the constant, that is 4. If you take 4 outside, you get z by 4 plus 1. So after that, just you can expand it. Okay, you can expand it to get the solution. So you can follow the same method as we did in the previous question. So one more question. Expand as Lorentz series. The function f of z is 7z minus 2 by z minus 1 into z minus 2. where the region is mod z plus 1 is greater than 3. So here the difference is in the region. Other steps you can follow the same method, okay? You find a and b in the similar way. But let me explain this. When mod z is greater than mod z plus 1 is greater than 3, what we have to do is we have to take a substitution here. Mod z plus 1 is greater than 3. After substituting a and b, you know mod z plus 1 is greater than 3. What we are going to do is, when it comes in this like some constant with z or equation form, let us make a substitution. Z plus 1 is equal to t. This is t, okay? Z plus 1 is t. Then what will be z t minus 1? So z is t minus 1. Also mod z plus 1. Z plus 1 is t means this condition will change to mod t is greater than 3. Because what is z plus 1? Our assumption put z plus 1 is t. So if you put z plus 1 as t here, this is t. So mod t is greater than 3. Now f of z is this one. Now here also in the denominator instead of z we take t minus 1. Here also instead of z we take t minus 1. Adding t minus 2. Here t minus 3. Now you see mod z greater than 3. Greater means what we have to do? We take the variable outside. What is the variable? T is the variable. Taking t outside 1 minus 2 by t. Taking t outside 1 minus 3 by t. We take this to the numerator. So we get whole raised to minus 1 for both the term. 1 minus 2 by t whole power minus 1. Here also 1 plus 3 by t whole raised to minus 1. We expand it. When it is 1 minus 2 by t, all the sign are plus sign. 1 minus 2 by t means all the sign are plus sign. 1 plus 2 by t plus 2 by t the whole square plus 2 by t the whole cube plus etc. Second term also, you see plus 12 by t into 1 plus 3 by t plus 3 by t the whole square plus 3 by t the whole cube plus etc. Now finally what we are going to do, we have to bring the answer in terms of z. What's our assumption? T is z plus 1, right? T is z plus 1. Now instead of t, let us substitute z plus 1. Okay, that will give the solution instead of t. So 1 plus 2 by z plus 1. 2 by z plus 1 the whole square, 2 by z plus 1 the whole cube, etc. Second term also 12 by z plus 1. You see for minus 5 by z plus 1. So wherever you have t, you replace it by z plus 1. Here also 12 by z plus 1 within bracket also 1 plus 3 by z plus 1 plus 3 by z plus 1 the whole square plus 3 by z plus 1 the whole cube plus etc. So now here that will give the answer. Just if you can expand it like this, 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8, okay, denominator square cube etc. So you can take the square cube of the terms, so you get the final step. This gives the solution.